What's up? Not too sure where I left off at, but my car was driving yesterday, and it goes in gear and everything finally after like 5 times of dropping the transmission. But for some reason it was overheating, and I had to stop like 5 times and slowly get the car home, let it cool off, then drive, let it cool off, then it overheat. It was just a mess. But there's coolant in it, but there's actually no coolant right here. I know the car's off right now, but there must be air in the system somewhere. So a couple things I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the front bumper completely, and then I'm gonna do a complete radiator coolant flush. There's still a whole bunch in there, but I'm gonna do a whole flush like 3 or 4 times. So yeah. Alright, so I got the bumper off, bumper over there, and I got the splash shield off and stuff. And I was just looking underneath it here and stuff, and I noticed there's a little bit of oil, and it doesn't look like there's a gasket on there, or like a washer, I mean. So I might need to get a new drain bolt just so maybe stop that leak, because you can see it's not too bad. But I've been checking my oil and the level hasn't been too much down, so it hasn't been leaking that much, but definitely need to get a washer for that. But yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure I catch all this coolant that comes out of here. It's gonna suck because you're not gonna be able to catch it all, but I'm gonna try. Alright, so like I said, the coolant went everywhere, of course, but nothing I wasn't really expecting. It got all over me. Shit, but it's all good. Just make sure you disconnect this hose right here, just on with that clamp, and then pull it off. And it's gonna come squirting everywhere. But make sure you have a towel to clean it up and stuff. Yeah. So I took this out, but you don't really need to take it out, so I just put it back in for now. But I have a funnel right here. I already drained it, I filled it back up. I'm gonna drain it again. Make sure you have there's a bleeder valve back here. Make sure you unscrew it. It looks just like this. Let me see. Make sure you unscrew it. It gets all the air out. So. But I'm gonna have to yeah, see, I gotta clean that up. But yeah. Alright, so I did the coolant flush about 2 times. I'm not too sure if I got all the bubbles out. I pumped on these tubes over here just to make sure like there's no air bubbles in them. But it sounds like there still is actually. So I'm probably gonna have to do another coolant flush, but I don't have much coolant left, so I might have to run by the store or have somebody run by the store for me. I guess I could just use the reservoir for coolant, but I'm gonna take a break for right now. I kind of got coolant everywhere, so you don't want to start up the car with coolant all over your engine or all over your belts because it's gonna squeak like shit. So just let it dry off for a little bit, and I'm gonna start it up in a little bit. So I got the car up and running. It hasn't been overheating or anything after doing the coolant flush. It's been about 3 days. I'm gonna just show you guys, make sure it's not overheating, because for some reason when it sat, it overheated afterwards. It didn't overheat before, so it was just weird. But gonna let it warm up for a little bit, come back, show you guys. It's been warmed up for about 5 minutes or so. It'll definitely get a little bit warmer, but you shouldn't want it to go past you got that top one, and then you got 2 thick ones right there, and then you got the smaller one, 4 smaller ones. You don't want it to ever be 2 or 3 small ones. You want it to be at least 4, 3 when your car is running really hot. It's gonna go up to then. So just make sure it's not 2. If it gets close to 2, just turn your car off, let it cool down a little bit. Maybe you got some air in your system or something. Yeah. You already know how to get some oil for the fucking VQ. But I'm about to just go to the gas station and get some gas, and then I'm gonna go back home, and I'm gonna just check my oil level, make sure it's good. If not, add some. If not, I got some extra oil on hand. I did show you guys there was like a small leak, but I'll fix that next time I do a complete oil change. So yeah, gang gang. God damn, boy, what I tell y'all, man. Almost $40 for a goddamn, not even a full tank, bro. Imagine. Bro, I'm not even gonna cap. I had some weird ass experience, bro. Some weird ass girls. Like, not even some hot girls, some ugly ass bitch, but there's some girls like popped out the whip and just started looking at me, bro. Like, oh no, like, bro, like, they was getting gas right there, right? They pulled around, stopped right there, and just one guy at the whip and just started looking at me, like, just, I was like, I just looked at her, I just like threw up my hand, like, what's up? Like, what's up? Like, and then she just got back in her car and drove away. I don't know if like she had a problem with me or something. I don't know. But yeah, sir. Whole lot of car running good. Yes, sir.